we headed today, Jake?
Sitton Peak.
I think that's how it's pronounced. All right, let's go. All right, so this is a first for me. It's Sitton Peak. It's like 10 miles. San Mateo Canyon Wilderness Bear Canyon Trail. That's where we're at. And we're going won't be finding any water sources in the San Mateo Canyon Wilderness, Cleveland National Forest. It's too dry right now. Bear Canyon Trail to Four Corners, that direction. Bear Ridge Trail to Four Corners, that trail. Even though the arrow has not caught up with us, we're taking the Bear Canyon Trail that way. How you feeling, dude?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Oh well.
We're moving good. Yeah, it's warm.
That breeze feels nice.
It does.
Roll up.
This is like hiking in our backyard. The hills there in the valley. Low level. Sort of scrubby brush covered. Welcome to Four Corners. Sitton Peak 1.7. How you feeling, dude?
Pretty good.
Yeah, we've been busting it.
Only a mile and 3/4.
Yep. To go.
Yeah.
And we'll be sitting on the top of Sitton Peak. Sitting. That one over there, or that one over there. 1.7 miles. Maybe it's behind. It's behind. Hi there. Nope, it says 0.9 miles to Sitton Peak. That way.
Really?
Yeah. Of course, the trail will have us go down 0.9 miles from the peak. What's happening here? Come on. All right, Jake, what's it feel like to be recognized on YouTube for the first time?
Feels pretty good.
Awesome. Well,
yeah, you inspired me to do Baldy. You guys
did you?
made it look
Did
like
we?
a really good trip. So
all right.
thank
Well,
you for doing the video.
yeah. Well, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Down. What the heck? There's a truck bed out here. No, that's not a truck bed. What is that? Anyways, we just came down that mountain. Yeah, going down to go up. What the heck? All right, well, here we go. Now we're climbing up the last little bit. I think it was, I forget what the report showed, about a half a mile to the top.
I think it told me a quarter.
Quarter? Maybe that was it. All right. Quarter of a mile. All right. Is this the peak? I think it's a false summit. I could be wrong. A little bit of a false peak, but not too discouraging because here we go. Jake's about to hit the summit. Jake's about to beat me to the top. I don't know who gave him permission to do that. That's it, I'm catching him. I'm catching him. I'm catching him. It's me first. Come on. Move faster, Eric. Jake, you beat me.
Oh wow, that was cool.
Jake. Good job.
Oh. 6. You.
You. Good job, Jake. Sitton Peak.
Oh, that's the little medallion thingy.
Oh yeah, there's the USGS marker. Not sure why. There's a USGS marker. USGS. One there and one over there.
Wait, there are 3? Oh yeah.
I wonder what the reason for that is.
Sorry.
It's okay. No, take as many as you need. Here we go, dude. Yeah, going down this hill is gonna be sketchy. This scramble. All right, dude. Let's roll.
Roll out.
It is hot.
Autobots, roll out.
Check the temperature. We're standing in the shade for just a little bit, but again, it's reading about 89 degrees. Three turkey vultures circling.
A 4th one right there.
Oh, there's a 4th one. They must see us.
5th one and a 6th one.
They must sense we're ready to go down. We got 1 mile to go. And it's hot out here. It is hot. Oh, poison oak, Jake, keep an eye out. There it is. Looks like most people have left the trail because it's too dang hot out here. Holy crap. It's gotta be into the 90s at this point. Jakey is making it hard for me to keep up with him. Because if he asked me to take a break right now, I'd be like, yeah, sure, why not? Even though we're right here at the trailhead. Jake's waiting for me so we can finish together. All right. Thanks, Jakey. Whoops, sorry, dude. Oh, man. That's a good hike, huh, Jakey? Good job, dude. Let's go see if the candy store's open. If it is, we'll go, put your mask on. My mask on. Cool. Oh yeah, Jake, would you do that again?
Yeah.